Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the A&D Auto and Small Engine channel where we do a lot of different videos. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to pick any 5-pin tumbler kind of lock just like this one. Most of your modern locks are 5 pins. Today we're just going to be using PKX-11 Pro-Lok. It's a set I bought a long time ago. It's simple, and there's two things in it that I like to use a lot. It's going to be a rake. It comes with a couple. This is a torsion wrench. So here we go. I'm going to show you what to do now. Put your torsion wrench in the bottom. Most locks turn to the left. So we're going to lock this up. It's locked. Put your torsion wrench down here. Give a little bit of tension to it. Just like that. Just not too much. And then you're going to take your rake like this. You're going to go in. Just going to rake back and forth carefully. You can feel the pins setting. Back and forth, feel the tension. You can kind of feel the pins setting. There's always one booger too. Now the key is not having too much tension on it, just a little bit. So the back and forth, each time you saw me go the other way, I was resetting the pins because I felt like I pushed one of the pins too far past the shear line inside. So when you do that, just go back to reset it and then back to your tension. That's it. So you got a rake and a tension bar. Usually comes with 2 of these. Again, today's video we used the PKX-11 by Pro-Lok. I want to say it's like 30 bucks. I can't remember what I paid for it, but it comes with a lot of different picks and rakes and all sorts of goodies. Again, thank you for watching, and if this video helped in any way, or if you like any of the other videos on my channel, please hit that like button and please subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.